Here was up, my name is Xander. Welcome to the complete guide to systematic binary option trading. I won't be talking about secret strategies or magic indicators. Instead, I'll show you a complete trading system, where every element is logically connected to the others. Why do 95% of traders lose money? The statistics are brutal but explainable. Most approach the market in fragmented way. They have an entry strategy but no risk management. They have an analysis but no understanding of trading sessions. They have tools but no system for applying them. Today we'll break down the complete cycle, from platform selection to trade execution, with an emphasis on the interconnections between all components. This system works not because it's complex, but because it's complete. So, let's start with the foundation. Choose a platform. I work exclusively with Pocket Option, and here is why this is a strategic decision, not just a preference. You see here, I'll make like this. Advantages of binary options as an instrument. Conceptual simplicity. You only need to determine the direction of the asset's movement, not the magnitude. In traditional options, you must predict both directions and momentum. The second one, define risk. Your risk is limited to the investments amount in the trade. In the stock market or forex, you can lose more than you deposit when using leverage. Then, third one, fast outcome. Expiration times from 30 seconds, from 5 seconds, to several hours allow you to quickly see results and adjust your strategy. Then, no commissions. Brokers earn from the percentage disparity between what they pay out on winning trades and what they collect from losing trades. Why specifically Poker Option? Yeah, I'll show you a platform. This is my real account. I can refresh the page. You see again, I can do it as many times as you want. So why specifically Pocket Option? High order execution speed. Then transparent condition and licensing. Stable payouts of 85 to 95% of major assets. You see? And here, look at this objective comparison between binary options offer predictable probability, controlled risk, the simplicity for beginners, and traditional markets offer more flexibility and leverage but require deeper knowledge. So, it was our first step. Our second step, terminal setup. Now let's move on setting up your workspace. This isn't just about tidying up, it's about creating an efficient environment for decision making. Key setup elements. Place quick buy and sell in a prominent position. So here it is. Configure presets amount. You see amount $1,000, $100 or $10, and here another presets of amount. Then activate hotkeys. So here hotkey settings, and you can deactivate or activate them. I offer you to activate it. What about your workspace organization? Main chart with the key indicators. We will talk about indicators a bit later. Then you can find the economic calendar window, assets panel. Here, assets panel, and trade history for your effectiveness analysis. And I'd like to add one psychological aspect, that a chaotic interface creates a chaos in your thoughts. A structured workspace promotes structured thinking. So what's next? Here it's small step, second step, terminal setup. Then we'll move to chart settings. And there is 3 main points. First one is time frames, from 1 minute to 15 minutes. You can find more, but I use this one, from 1 minute, second, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and 15 minutes. You can use more, but using 5 seconds, 10 seconds, and 15 seconds, it's quite risky. So what's next? About candlestick. I use Japanese candlestick chart type. Here it is, candles. They show open, close, high, low in one unit. Alternatives like bars or lines don't provide the same depth of information. Yeah, lines, you can see only the current price, and bars. So the candlestick, Japanese candlestick, the most convenient way to analyze the chart. About time frames, again, I'll repeat. From M1 to M5 for scalping and precise entry points identifications. From 15 minutes to 1 hour for swing trading and overall trend analysis. From, I suppose, 4 hours to 1 day for identifying global trends. Important point, the fast outcome of binary option trade makes chart setting accuracy critically important. You must see the slightest price changes. So, what's next? Here is market analysis. What about it? Market analysis isn't just looking at the chart and understanding the context of a price movement. Trading sessions, the foundation of temporal analysis. What about sessions? Yeah. Asian session, 0100 to 0800 GMT. Main assets, US dollar, Japanese yen, Australian dollar, US dollar. Asian indices, characteristics about it, like often sideways movements, low volatility. Strategy I offer to use is like channel trading, bounces from levels. Then we see European session, 0700 to 1600 GMT. Main assets, Euro, US dollar, Great Britain pound, US dollar, Great Britain pound, Japanese yen, European indices. This session is really high volatility, trending movements, and I offer you to use level breakouts and trend strategies. And the last one, American session, 1300 to 2200 GMT. Main assets, US, Canadian dollar, US dollar and Swiss franc, and American indices. This really maximum volatility here, often sharp movements, and you really can use news trading and breakout strategies. Don't trade everything. Specialize in 5 to 7 assets and study their behavior. Don't choose like, I will trade every asset here. No, like, choose the best 5 or 10 assets and study them. Learn how they move, learn their behavior. So, now we move to trading strategy. A strategy isn't a collection of indicators, it's a logical decision-making system. Basic strategy components consist of, first of all, price action is here. Candlestick pattern analysis, pin bars, morning, evening stars, for example, yeah. In my Telegram bot, you can find in Academy pattern cheat sheet open. And here you will see every indicator, I'm sorry, not indicator, every pattern of technical analysis and candlestick analysis, and you can use it in your trading. So what's next? About price action, yeah, drawing trend lines and channels also you need, and identifying key support and resistance level. What about signal confirmation? Yeah, you see here 3 signals minimum rule. It's about, first one, price confirmation, price reacted to a level, then pattern confirmation, a candlestick pattern formed, and volume confirmation, movement confirmed by volume. And what about multi-time frame analysis? It means that high time frame, like 1 or 4 hours, determines the overall trend. Then, working time frame from 15 to 5 minutes, look for entry points. And lower time frame from 1 minute to 5 minutes, precise entry timing. The majority mistakes, they add dozens of indicators that all show the same things. Like, you open and I will use everything and I will analyze the chart. I don't see the chart right now, too many indicators. So and I will make an analysis of it. It's better to deeply understand 2 or 3 tools than to superficially understand 20. So I'll delete all of it. Yeah. It looks much better. Then, money management. Money management is what separates professionals from amateurs. You can have a profitable strategy and still lose your deposit due to poor risk management. Some key principles. Position size 1 to 3, maximum 5% of your deposit per trade. This is a golden rule. With a $1,000 deposit, maximum trade of $30. This allows you to withstand a series of losses without critical damage. And the second one you see here are daily limits. Maximum daily loss of 10% trading stocks after this. Then maximum number of trades per day, like 10 to 15. Not so much. You don't need just click sit during the day and click buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. No. It doesn't work like that. Like from 10 to 15, it's the optimal amount of trades. And this disciplines you and prevents revenge trading. Remember, limited risk in binary option is an advantage, but without proper position sizing, you can quickly lose your deposit at all. 7th, tools and indicators. Here, you see economic calendar and volatility scanner, but I will show you something much more interesting. I developed with my team, of course, tools that will help you. It's called X-ray Signals Bot. I'll show it to you. You see there is an academy. You can find the trading skills checklist, traders diary, course for beginners, indicators. You see here. We already talked about these indicators, and in this article, I wrote everything about this indicator, everything, how it works, how it uses. So every indicator you can open it and read about it. Every of indicators in poker option. So what about bot again? What will help you in analysis? First one is X-ray signals. You can choose every asset you want. Like, for example, I opened Euro Japanese yen, also Euro Japanese yen. Wait a bit, like 1.5 seconds, and I got a signal for buy. And summary of 130 indicators. And X-ray auto signals. It's about automatic trading of. It's really connected with artificial intelligence. We made a huge update of it in version 3.0. And you can see the statistics in the bot. You can see the statistics here. Approximately 18,000 trades with win rate is nearly 89%. And for the last week, we have only 11 loss trade. So it's about X-ray signals. What it give you? First, full strategy-based configuration, signal filtering by strengths, sensitivity adjustment for specific assets, and combination with price levels. You can use it in your confirmation system. X-ray signals is one confirmation, not the only one. I always wait the price confirmation on the chart, and I check against trading session and asset volatility. Your additional tools, economic calendar and volatility scanner. In the nearest time, we'll include it in X-ray signals bot. And important warning for you. No tool provides 100% accuracy. Your system might be resilient to tool errors. And the last part, trade execution. Now let's put it all together with real examples. I'll show you two. I will show you a bit later, for example, 2 or 3 trades with X-ray signals bot. But now we can talk about trade execution. Here you see different types of entry points, like breakout confirmation, trend confirmation, support and resistor bounds, and in trade execution you select your expiration time. Here is some cheat for expiration time selection, and then you choose your type of trading, like scalping or swing. Now this is a full complete guide that I'm special made for you, and you'll find the link to this Miro template in my Telegram channel. So now I'd like to offer you to make some trades and see the results. Now give me some time, I'll find the trading pair and do some analysis. For example, Euro Japanese yen. Let's open Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. 15 minutes time frame. So 5 minutes. Okay, let's unmute X-ray auto signals with AI. I suppose it will help us. And use X-ray signals. So here we have Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. Sell. Okay, we'll sell, select, and like boom, and open a trade. So now let's wait a bit and see the results. So great, you see, our trade was closed with a profit. So it works. Everything here is completely free. You can use it, absolutely free, totally free, everything for you. So I wish you luck, I wish you huge success, a lot of earnings, and invite you to my Telegram channel, my Telegram bot. That's it.